Hi, this is Ian Coleman from Signal Centre. Today I want to focus on euro dollar, but I also want to focus on the dollar index and what's going on there. So we're going to break down the time frames just to highlight what we believe is going on in these two products. So this is the weekly chart for the dollar index. Here we look to have formed a bearish Elliott wave count to the downside. That would suggest that the whole move higher is corrective. Now, we've got a pretty complex Elliott wave corrective formation. Levels inside the Ishimoku cloud have found some buying interest, and we continue to move to the upside. We've got warning signs. We've got a 61.8% fib level close to 98, the figure. If we go to this time frame, and this is the daily chart, are we forming a bearish head and shoulders pattern? So this will be the head up here, this will be the potential neckline, and then moving towards this previous zone of resistance. If we look to the intraday chart, are we forming 5 waves? So this is wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and then finishing off on 5. So that would suggest that we've got to be cautious about continued dollar strength, but also saying that we've got higher highs, we've got higher lows, there's no clear indication at the moment that the run in the dollar is coming to an end. So taking that back to euro dollar, let's just look at the weekly chart first. So obviously the opposite of what we're seeing in the dollar index, 5 waves up, complex wave sequence to the downside, levels close to the 61.8% fib again, find some buying interest. But if we go to this time frame, and this is the daily chart, here we broke this wedge formation to the downside, but we stalled before the measured move target. Are we now forming the reverse of the dollar index? So this being the head, left, and coming down to form the right shoulder. Now that would suggest that this move in euro dollar has not finished yet. We go to the intraday chart, and again we've got warning signs here. We had a 261.8% fib located here. We have pushed through it. Are we forming a fifth wave? But again, there's no clear indication at the moment that this sell-off is coming to an end. So we're looking for a push through lower towards this trendline support. So our intraday trade idea, and this is just intraday, is to sell euro dollar at 112.37. We've got a stop placed at 112.67, and we're looking for a move down here towards 111.30. Okay guys, thank you very much, and we'll speak to you again soon. Many thanks.